Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Appsmith guide for 2026, I'll show you how to self-host Appsmith. Self-hosting gives you more control over your data, security, infrastructure, and application environment, making it a popular choice for businesses and development teams. So let's get started. First, make sure you have access to a server where Appsmith can be installed. This can be a cloud server, virtual machine, or on-premises machine that meets Appsmith system requirements. Next, connect to your server and verify that Docker and Docker Compose are installed. Appsmith's self-hosted deployment process typically relies on Docker to simplify installation and management. Follow the initial setup wizard to create your administrator account and configure the basic settings for your instance. This account will be used to manage applications, users, and workspace settings. Next, review your security configuration. Consider enabling HTTPS, configuring backups, and setting up authentication options such as single sign-on if required by your organization. After logging in, create a test application to verify that everything is working correctly. Check data source connections, application creation, and user access to ensure the deployment is functioning as expected. As your usage grows, you can further customize the environment by adjusting server resources, monitoring performance, and implementing backup and recovery procedures. And that's how to self-host Appsmith. By deploying Appsmith on your own infrastructure, you gain greater flexibility, security, and control over your applications and data. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.